Hi students, this is Srinivas. I am going to explain mathematics subject 10th class, first chapter, real numbers. So first of all, I would like to ask how many numbers are there? So most of the students, people, we say that there are infinite numbers, but the numbers are not infinite. We have only 0 to 9. How many numbers? We have 0 to 9. By using this number 0 to 9, we can write infinite numbers. Okay? By using this number 0 to 9, we can write infinite numbers. So let us recall the previous knowledge basics. The set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on are called natural numbers. They are called as natural numbers. And it is denoted by capital letter N. Next set of numbers which start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on are whole numbers. W. Next set of numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, so on are odd numbers. Next set of numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, so on are even numbers. Next, numbers which have negative and positive, or set of numbers which have negative and positive are called integers. Okay, or integers. They are denoted by letter I or Z. Next numbers are prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? What are prime numbers? The numbers which have exactly two factors. That is 1 and the same number. 1 and itself are called as prime numbers. So what are they? For example, we can take 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. So all these are prime numbers. 2 has exactly two factors, 1 table and 2 table. Next 3 has two factors, 1 and 3. The same way 5, 7, so on are the prime numbers. Next, what are composite? Next numbers are composite numbers. So what are composite numbers? The numbers which have more than two factors, are the numbers other than prime numbers. The numbers which are not prime numbers are called as composite numbers. So here the first composite number is 4, 6, 8, 9, so on. So these are the composite numbers. Next type of numbers are rational numbers. Next type of numbers are rational numbers. So what are rational numbers? What are rational numbers? So rational numbers, the numbers which can be expressed as P by Q form, the numbers which can be expressed in P by Q form where P comma Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, such numbers are called as rational numbers. Example, 1 by 2, 3 by 5, so on are rational numbers. Next, one more type of numbers are irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers? The numbers which we cannot write or which we cannot express in P by Q form are called as irrational numbers. For example, we can take that as root 2, root 3, pi, etc. are the examples of irrational numbers. Next, coming to the last, that are real numbers. What are real numbers? What are real numbers? Combination of rational and combination of rational and irrational. numbers are called real numbers. Okay, and it is denoted by capital letter R. Real numbers are denoted by capital letter R. Mathematically, we can write, so R is equal to, rational numbers are denoted by Q, Q union, and irrational numbers are denoted by Q dash. Or we may write this as Q union S. So rational numbers are denoted by Q and irrational numbers are denoted by Q dash R S. So real numbers equal to Q union Q dash R is equal to Q union S. So these are the numbers. So in this 10th class, we are going to study about the real numbers. So let us solve the problems. Do these questions are there. Students, look at the questions. Let us solve the questions of 10th class, first chapter, that is real numbers. So in that, do this. Find Q and R for the following pairs of positive integers A and B satisfying A is equal to BQ plus R. So in that first question, A is equal to 13 and B is equal to 3. So given A is equal to 13 and B is equal to 3, okay, and condition, what is that condition? A is equal to BQ plus R. So in that, we know that dividing one number by another number, so in the A is equal to 13, that becomes the divisor, the highest number, and B is the 13 is the dividend and 3 is the divisor. Now divide it, 3 4s are 12, so it is 1, right? So this is A and this is B, this is quotient Q, and this is the remainder R. So it is B and this one is A. Okay, now let us write in this form. So what is A? A is equal to BQ plus A is equal to BQ plus R. So A value is given 13 and B value is 3 into what is quotient 4 plus R value is 1. Therefore, Q is equal to 4 and R is equal to 1. So this is our required answer. Next question, A is equal to 80 and B is equal to 8. So highest number, the largest number is 80 and the second 8 is the least number. So divide 80 by 8. So 8 times 80. The remainder is 0. So this is the quotient and this is R. Therefore directly we can write here quotient is 10, that is Q is equal to 10 and remainder R is equal to 0. Next question is A is equal to 125 and B is equal to 5. So let us solve 125 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. So it is 2, 5, 5 5s are 25. So here this is the quotient and this is the remainder. So Q is equal to 25 and remainder R is equal to 0. Next question, A is equal to 132 and B is equal to 11. A is equal to 132 and B is equal to 11. Okay, next question, A is equal to 132 and B is equal to 11. Same method follows here. That is 132 is divided by 11. 11 ones are 11. Subtract it from 11 minus 13 minus 11, it is 2. Next to 2, 11 twos are 22. So what is, this is Q and this is R. Therefore, Q is equal to 12 and R is equal to 0. So these are the answers for the questions. Do these questions. Next, think and discuss. In question above of the do this. So just now we solved the questions of do this. So in that, what is the nature of Q and R? What is the nature of Q and R? So it is given that A is equal to BQ plus R and Q is greater than 0. Always in all the problems or in the answers we got Q is greater than 0, that is positive, and R lies between B, 0 and B. R lies between 0 and B. That is, we can write Q is greater than 0, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. So this is the nature of Q and R. Q is positive and R lies in between. R lies in between 0 and B. Next, you division algorithm. Next one is division algorithm. Definition of division algorithm is, if two positive integers set as a and b, then there exist two more positive integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r, comma 0 is less than or equal to r less than b. So this is the definition of division algorithm. So I repeat once again, division algorithm. If two positive integers a and b, there exist two positive integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r, comma 0 is less than or equal to r less than b. So by using this concept, now we are going to solve the questions. Okay, students, by using division algorithm concept, now we are going to find the HCF of the following by Euclid's algorithm. So the question is 50 and 70. So we have to find the HCF of 50 and 70. So in 50 and 70, the highest number is 70. So that 70 is divided by the number 50. Okay, 70 is divided by 50. 50 ones are 50. 50 ones are 50. Now subtract 70 minus 50, it is 20. Okay. So as we know that this is a common division. Now here this 20, whatever the remainder we got, the 20 becomes the divisor and divisor 50 becomes the dividend. Okay, now divide this 50 by the divisor 20. 22s are 40. So 22s are 40. So 50 minus 40 we get 10. So the same process follows here. Once again this 10 becomes the divisor and this 20, it becomes the dividend. Now divide with 10. 10 twos are 20. 20 minus 20, finally we get 0. So what is Euclid's algorithm? We have that equation a is equal to bq plus r and 0 is less than r equal to r less than b. Right. So let us write in this form. So what is a? This is a, 70 is a and 50 is b. A, this is b and this is q. $70 is A and 50 is B and this is the quotient Q and this is the remainder R. Okay. So let us write in this form. What is A? That is 70 is equal to B 50. B is 50 into Q. Quotient is 1 plus and the remainder is 20. Okay. for the first step. Next step, in the next step, what is A? A is 50 is equal to, and B is 20. 20 into quotient is 2 plus and the remainder is 10. Next 20 is A, next B is 10 into quotient is 2 plus and the remainder is 0. When the remainder is 0, this value is called as HCF. So HCF of two numbers. What are they? 50 and 70 is 10. So HCF of 50 and 70 is 10. Okay. So in this manner, we have to find the HCF by using concept called Euclid algorithm. So let us solve second question, 96 and 72. Find the HCF of 96 and 72. So the same method follows here. 96 is the highest number in from two numbers, 72 is the least number. Now divide 96 by 72. 72 ones are 72. Subtract 6 minus 2, it is 4. 9 minus 7, it is 22. Sorry, 9 minus 7, it is 2. So 24, now 24 becomes the divisor, 72 becomes the dividend, divided. 24 into 2, let us take 2, 2 multiply 2, 2, 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4, no. 24 into 3, 3 4 the 12, 1, 3 to the 6, 72, yes. So we can write this as 24 into 3, that becomes 72. So 72 minus 72, it is equal to 0. Remainder is 0. So let us write in that form. A is equal to BQ plus R. So where A is 96, this is A and this is B. 72 into quotient is 1 plus remainder is 24. Next, A is equal to 72 and B is 24 into 3 plus the remainder is 0. And when the remainder is 0, so this is your answer. What is HCF? HCF of 96 and 72 is 24. Let us solve one more question, that is third question, 300 and 550. Find HCF of 300 and 550. So let us solve. 550 is the highest number from the given numbers, that is 300 and 550. So divide 550 by 330. 300. 300 ones are 300. Subtract it. 0 minus 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 minus 3, it is 2. So 250 becomes the divisor and 300 becomes the dividend. 250 ones are 250. 300 minus 250, how much? So it is 50. 50 is divided, becomes the divisor and 250 becomes the dividend. So divide 250 by 50. 50 5 it is 250. 50 5 250. 0. So total it becomes 0. The remainder is 0. So let us write in that form. A is equal to BQ plus R. What is A value? So this is the A value, that is 550 is equal to, and B is 330 into Q is 1 plus remainder, that is R is 250. Next, so A is equal to 300, P is 250 into R is 1 plus remainder is 50. Next step, 250 is A, B is 550 into Q is 5 plus and the remainder is 0. When the remainder is 0, this value is the HCF. Now we can write HCF of, what are the numbers? 300 and 550 is 50. So this is the process of finding HCF by using Euclid's division. Next question. So 1860, find HCF of 1860 and 2015. So 2015 is the largest number from the given numbers 1860. 1861 is the 1860. Subtract it. 5 minus 0 is 5. 11 minus 6 it is 5. Next 9 minus 8 it is 1. Okay. 5 minus 0 is 5. 11 minus 6 it is 5. Next 9 minus 8 it is 1. Okay. 1 minus 1 it is 0. So this 155 becomes the divisor, and next 1860 it becomes the dividend. So let us find 155 ones. So it is 155. Subtract it. 6 minus 5 it is 1. 8 minus 5 it is 3. Now bring this 0 here. Write here 0. Next, let us check 155 5s. 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27, 5 1s are 5, 7. So 155 2s are 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 1s are 2, 3. So it is 2s are 3, 10. Okay. So A is equal to BQ plus R. What is A? 2015 is A and B is 1860. What is Q? Q value is 1 plus R. R value is 155. Next in the next step, A value becomes 1860 and B value is 155 into Q value is 12 plus, and the R value, that is remainder, is 0. So we got remainder 0 and this value is HCF. Therefore, HCF of 1860 and 2015 is 155. So this is your answer. Next, think and discuss. Can you find HCF of 1.2 and 0.12 by Euclid division algorithm? Justify your answer. No, it is not possible. No, it is not possible to find HCF of 1.2 and 0.12 by Euclid's division algorithm. Justify your answer. Why? Because Euclid division algorithm is applied for positive integers only, whereas 0.12 and 1.2 are not integers. So this is the justification for that question. Can you find the HCF of 1.2 and 0.12 by Euclid division algorithm? So it is not possible to find HCF of 1.2 and 0.12 by Euclid division algorithm. Why? Because Euclid division algorithm is applied for positive integers, whereas in the question, that is 0.12 and 1.2 are not integer. That's why it is not applicable. Okay, students, let us solve the questions of exercise 1.1. First bit, use Euclid's division algorithm to find HCF of 900 and 270. So first question is, we have to find the HCF for numbers 900, 270. So 900 is the biggest number and 270 is the smallest number from the given numbers. So 270 is the divisor, 900 is the dividend. So let us find out which table is applicable here. 5 is a 500, 5 7 is 35, 3 5 2 is 10 plus 3 13. No, 270 into 3 is 300, 3 7 is 21 2, 3 to the 6 plus 2 8 10. So we can write here 3 is so it is 810. So 0 minus 0 0, 10 minus 1 it is 9. Okay, so here we get 90. 90 becomes the divisor and 270 becomes the dividend. 9 table, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. 90 table it means 90 into 3. So it is 270. And the answer is 0. The remainder is 0. So let us write in that form A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 is less than R is less than B. Euclid's division algorithm. A, what is A value? 900 is equal to B is 270 into, this is Q, Q is 3 plus R. What is R? R is 90. Next, A is equal to 270 is equal to 90, B is 90 into 3 plus remainder is 0. So this is the HCF. What is HCF? HCF is of numbers. What are the numbers? 900 and 270 is 90. So this is the way of finding HCF by using Euclid's algorithm, division algorithm. Next question. Second one, 196 and 38,220. Next question, 196 and 38,220. We have to find the HCF of these two numbers. So that is 3822. 38,220 is divided by 196. So let us write 196 1 ja 196. Subtract 12 minus 6, it is 6. Next, 7. If we carry 1 here, 17 minus 9, it is 8. Next, 2 minus 1, it is 1. Okay, next, right here 2, bring here 2 and write, it becomes 1862. Let us check 196 table. 3 is a 3 6 is 18 1, 3 9 is a 27 plus 1, 28 2, 3 2, 3 1 is a 3 plus 2, it is 5. Next, 196 into 9. 9 6 is a 54. 9 9 is a 81 plus 5, 86. It becomes 8. 9 1 is a 9 plus 8, 17. Now 196 into 10. So now 196 into 10, it becomes 1960. So we get here 9. We can write here 9. And that is 1764. Subtract 12 minus 4, it is 8. 15 minus 6, it is 9. Okay. So 12 minus 4, it is 8. Next one carry from here. 15 minus 6, it is 9. So 7 minus 7, it is 0. Next, last. So bring this 0 here. We can write here 0. Let us check 196 into 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 9 are 45 plus 3. 48. 4. 5 1 are 5 plus 4. It is 9. So it becomes 5. So in 196 into 5, we get 980. So 980 minus 980 is equal to 0. Therefore, A is equal to BQ plus R. So what is A value? 38220 is equal to B value is 196 into 195 plus R is remainder. When the remainder is 0, this is your HCF. HCF of 196 and 38220 is 196. So this is the value HCF of 196 and 38,220. Okay, next question. 1651 and 2032. 1651 and 2032. 2032 divided by 1651. 1651 ones are 1651. 2 minus 1 it is 1. 13 minus 5 it is 8. Okay, next to 9, here it is 9. 9 minus 6 it is 3. 381 is divided by, it becomes the divisor, and 1651 is the dividend. Now divide 381. Let us check 381. 4s are 4 ones are 4, 4 8, 32, 3, 4th is a 12 plus 3, 15. 4 ones are 4, 4 8 is 32, 3, 4 3 is 12 plus 3, 15. Next to 381, 5 is 5 ones are 5, 5 8, 5 8 is 44, 5 is 15 plus 4, 19. So we get here 4s are 15, 24. 11 minus 4 it is 7. 4 minus 2 it is 2. 6 minus 5 it is 1. Okay. So 127 becomes the divisor and 381 is the dividend. Now 127 into 3 is 3 7s are 21, 2, 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. 3 ones are 3. So it is 381. So 127 into 3. So it is 381. So finally we get the remainder 0. Let us write in this equation form, that is A is equal to BQ plus R. So A value is 2032, that is equal to, what is B value? 1651, and quotient is 1 plus remainder is 381. Next, in the next step, A becomes 1651 is equal to B is 381 into quotient is 4 plus, and the remainder is 127. So in the next step, A becomes 381 is equal to B becomes 127 into quotient is 3 plus, and the remainder is 0. When the remainder is 0, so this value is the HCF. Therefore, HCF of the numbers 1651 and 2032 is 127. This is your answer.